Good morning, y'all. Let me turn the light on. There we go. Good morning, y'all. How are y'all this morning? I did not want to get up. It's 6:53. I had to be to work at 8. I did not want to get up. I'm hungry today. Like, so hungry, so I need to get myself some breakfast. I don't know if I can open the box. Okay. I'm gonna get myself some breakfast. I'll show you what I'm having in just a minute when I'm done. Alright, so I'm gonna have sausage biscuits and oranges and chocolate milk. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Alrighty, y'all. So I finished eating. Okay. Oh, yeah. So I finished eating. Now I just need to put my stuff away. Finish drinking my milk. And then I'm gonna go get ready. I think I'm just gonna straighten my hair today because I just took a shower last night right before I went to bed. So I think I'm just gonna straighten it right quick. Hopefully it goes fast. Hopefully it's faster than taking a shower. But I don't know. Who knows? We'll see. Maybe I'll just go ahead and take a shower. I don't know. We'll see in just a few. I guess stay tuned to see if I shower or straighten my hair. Because I feel like I need a shower. I just showered before I went to bed last night. Like, I wasn't asleep. So, we'll see what I feel like doing. Alrighty, y'all. So I straightened my hair, obviously. You can see that. But I'm running behind now. I got like 2 minutes to get to work. It takes me like 2 minutes to get there. So, I hope y'all have a wonderful day. And I will talk to y'all on my lunch. Hey, y'all. How is y'all's day going? I'm home. I'm letting Swishy outside. I just went and picked up a pizza. Today, Josh got a free pizza. So he did half of it what he likes and half of it what I like. So I'm going to have pizza for lunch. Yummy, yummy. I'm going to sit in here and relax. I'll open this window so it brightens up in here a little bit. There's Swishy. There. That'll be better. I'm going to change his movie because he's got Shrek on. We always turn on Shrek because it plays over and over. But this is the second one, and it actually looks like it just got over. So it'll be perfect time to change it. But yeah, so I'm home. Just going to change his movie and eat some food. Because I am hungry. So, I'll have to show you guys what I got. So, but I will talk to y'all when I am, maybe when I'm done eating, maybe not. I don't know when it'll be. But it'll be either when I'm done eating or when I'm off work tonight. My hair is frizzy. It's one thing I hate about straightening it is it gets all frizzy. Staticky. But I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. For my lunch, I got a pizza. It's light sauce, extra cheese, extra pineapple. This is going to be delicious. So I ate my 4 pieces of pizza. Still just a little bit hungry, but I'm gonna drink a V8 and get my serving. There's actually 2 full servings of vegetables in each can. So I'm gonna go ahead and drink this so I can have some veggies. Hey y'all! So I'm off work. I just got done at Walmart actually. I had to come to Walmart to get stuff to make for dinner. Why is stuff so expensive? Like, I just do not get it. Why everything is just so expensive. Like, I swear, every time I come here, I spend at least $40. And that's when I'm doing just like small, like nightly things, semi-nightly things, you know? It's just ridiculous, honestly. Like, I don't even know how people are supposed to live when they pay so much for food and everything. I don't know. Sorry, guys. Bad angle for a view. Well, it's going to be a bad angle. This whole clip is going to be a bad angle, but
cold out, and I'm very tired. I just want to be off again. Like I said, food's freaking expensive, so the only way that we can live is if I freaking work. It's just ridiculous. Like, I honestly stress about, like, while I'm on maternity leave. Like, I'm already stressing about that. Like, how we're gonna make it work. Like, it's just gonna be hard. We're not gonna be able to eat. Ever. And I have a few things to eat. Peanut butter and jelly every night. Fucking ramen every night. That's alright. It'll be okay. That's why we're getting good meals in now while I'm still working. Tonight we're gonna have butter chicken. I'll show you guys it when we're done making it. But yeah, that's what we're gonna make for dinner, or what I'm gonna make for dinner tonight. Make butter chicken and real mashed potatoes instead of like instant mashed potatoes, and peas and carrots and Hawaiian rolls. So that should be yummy, yummy. I'm ready to eat it. But yeah, so I'm gonna get off here because I'm just about home. I need to get all these groceries unloaded. Oh, neck is sore today. But I'll talk to y'all when I am done getting all the groceries unloaded. Alrighty, so I'm home now. I just gotta get everything put away. I got chicken, which I need to leave it set out for a few because it's still frozen, and that's what I need to do for dinner. I got the Ritz crackers for dinner. Josh wanted cherry Pop-Tarts. And then butter, which is for the dinner. And peas. And carrots for dinner. And then I got some oranges. You guys know I like these oranges. I wasn't sure if I had any peas up here or not. But there is some up there, I guess. But I did go ahead and get another can of peas for just to eat. I do have one up here already, so I'm going to eat that one first. I got potatoes for dinner, which I'm going to use the last of these little guys for the night. And then I got some more sausage biscuits and some milk. Man, I'm pooped today. I need to go get a ponytail so I can pull my hair back and take off my jacket. But yeah, that's what I got at the grocery store today. Alrighty, y'all. Now we're going to start dinner prep. So, let's get to it. Guys, oh, you missed it. Dang it. Josh just shut it off. I just set off the smoke alarm.
Yeah, because somebody thought putting butter in a brownie pan was a great idea.
Well, it was the only pan that was big enough to hold everything. So it was smoking a bunch.
Oh, yeah, a little.
It's smoking a lot.
It's smoking a lot.
Yeah, like it said, I didn't even notice it was so smoky.
Yeah, and I look over and I'm like, why is it smoking so bad? Oh, it's because there's butter in the fucking oven.
I'm just going to town getting those potatoes cut, as you saw. And you saw honey. What's smoking? I don't know. So yeah. Well, but I got the potatoes boiling now. So that's good. Chicken says it's got 3 minutes left. Probably will have more though. But yeah. I just had to tell you, I set off the smoke alarm. Lovely. Voila. Mashed potatoes, buttered chicken, peas and carrots. Mmm. Yummy. Ta-da! I cannot wait to try it. Should be yummy, yummy. Hey y'all. So it's almost 9 o'clock now and I'm gonna get the dinner mess cleaned up. And going to go to bed, I think. Actually, I think I might eat some ice cream first, but then I'm gonna go to bed. But yeah, so I'm gonna get all of the dinner food cleaned up. Put away. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put this stuff away and go to bed and stuff. So I need to go ahead and end this so I can get it edited and uploaded before I fall asleep. So I hope y'all enjoyed today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. And check out all my social media accounts. And I will talk to y'all tomorrow in my next daily vlog. Good night, y'all.